this is Deeksha here. Welcome back to my channel, and today we have a haul video. So one of my family members just happened to go abroad, and I had this long list that I wanted to order. So I ordered all the stuff that I wanted, and I wanted to share it with you people because it just arrived and I have resisted myself from using it because I wanted to show it to you people and then use it on me. So these are all the products that I ordered from the US, and these are a mix of all the skincare products as well as a lot of makeup products and a bit of hair accessories. So let's get right into it. So right now I haven't categorized my makeup haul into different categories. I can see a bunch of stuff lying here. I'm just gonna pick up stuff randomly and show it to you people as to what I've bought, and some of the things might be repeated also because I wanted a backup. So these are all the products that I ordered, and I'll get into showing them to you one by one, and the talking should stop. So first up we have our lip products, in which we have the first Burt's Bees lip crayon. This is a lip color which is a very neutral shade, and it is 100% natural. So like I told you earlier, I really love stuff which is 100% natural. It gives me a feeling that it's not going to damage my lips, and I asked for a brighter shade, but this is what they got, and there's no complaining because they've got something for me and I should be very happy about it, which I am. So I won't be swatching any of these. This is what it looks like, and this looks really nude and pretty on the lips, so it does not look like you have applied a very stark color on your lips. It's really nude. It's 100% natural, plus it has the qualities of a lip balm also, so this really helps. Second, we have our normal baby lips. So this baby lips, I'm not very sure if it's available in India. So this baby lips is the crystal one. Apparently this has crystals, so it looks like a gloss on your lips, and it's pink in color, so yes, it had to be my favorite. Some of the prices of the things that I've got from US, I have managed to convert it into the Indian rupees, and this would be about 240 rupees in Indian currency. Next we have another lip balm by Neutrogena. I'm again not sure if this is available in India. This is the Neutrogena Revitalizing lip balm with an SPF of 20. So this is for 560 Indian rupees, and apparently this will make your lips softer, look healthier, and take off all the chapped roughness on top of your lips. So this is one thing. I've already told you, like, I'm obsessed with lip balms and lip products, so this is indulging in my obsession. So that's it for the lip products. Next we have, I've ordered 2 tweezers. So I generally, when I'm traveling a lot, I do not get the time to go to the parlor every second day and get rid of all the hair. So I'm really hairy and really bushy around my eyebrows, and if I don't get my eyebrows done, I don't know if you relate to the term of Kroor Singh, but my family ends up calling me Kroor Singh every time I do not get my eyebrows done. So this is something that comes in handy. You can nicely tweeze your eyebrows, at least take out the extras. I'm not very good with shaping them, but I can take out the extras, and that helps me looking decent and normal. So this one is by CoverGirl. A normal tweezer with a flat blade, so anything which has an angulated flat blade really helps you grip on the hair and remove it easily. So this is one, and the second one is the Tweezerman tweezer. This is by Sephora. I guess this is available in India, Sephora also. One of these are for my mom, so I'll give one of these to her. Next we have the 2 BB creams. Oh my god. Next we have the 2 BB creams. I love BB creams because I'm not really fond of heavy foundations. So tinted creams or tinted foundations or tinted moisturizers go a long way for me. Also, I had seen a couple of reviews of these 2 BB creams. These are in the shade 110 light to medium sheer tint. So these would be 560 rupees each in Indian currency. Also, this blue one gives a matte look, and this white one gives a very nice glowy finish. It's hardly any coverage, but it does give you that minimal flawless look that you want to. If you're someone who wants like really high coverage, I won't suggest these products, but I really like BB creams and I don't like applying heavy foundation, so this goes very well for me. These are the 2 products. This is what it looks like. Next we have our brushes. So I'm one of those who have not invested much on my brushes because I feel I can make do with whatever I get in my hand. I'm not that big a makeup geek, so I can make do with even the Forever 21 brushes that you get, or even the other brushes that you get in Vega. It does not make much of a difference to me. So the brushes maximum that I have used is Claire, Forever 21, and now these. First we have these Duo Set Eye Enhancing brushes. So they have like brushes on both the sides, one of it being for the, let me read out, okay, one of them is for the smudging of the eyeshadow, and one of it is for the blending of the eyeshadow. These are really soft brushes, they work really well. So I haven't used them right now, but I had seen my aunt using this, and she's a makeup artist, so I really wanted these brushes, and they're really cheap. They come for 420 rupees each, so you get like 2 brushes in 420 rupees. That's quite a steal. And next I bought another one with one side of, wait, let me like just open and then show it to you. How do you open this? Wait. Okay, yeah. So one side we have the defining, the angulated brush that can be used for defining your tight line, or it can be used to make a wing liner. So this is that, and the other side we have a shadow or the shade brush, so you can apply your shadow from this side. And these are really cool brushes, they're very soft to touch, so I really love them, and I can't thank my uncle and aunt enough for getting all this for me. Next up we have all the mascaras. So I went all cray with mascaras around me. I ordered like 3 mascaras. I didn't like order 3 mascaras, so they went one day to some place and I was like, get me that, and then the next place they went to the other place and I was like, get me that, and then the other place. So they were FaceTiming me all the time, and everything they showed me on the counter, I was like, I want that, I want that, I want that also. So yes, I got around 3 mascaras. First was the Maybelline Last Sensational Luscious, okay, that's not in our language, Sumptuous, Sensuous, all of that, all the shuousness, not a word, whatever, all the sensual sensationalness, not a word again. So this is the Maybelline Sensational Lash Mascara. This is a normal lash mascara. Now the only difference between all the 3 mascaras that I've got is the shape of the wand. So this had, I couldn't resist, and I ended up like tearing it like this so that I can show you the cover. And this has a very beautiful wand. First of all, I love the packaging. It's really matte, it's really smooth to touch, and it says that so this is basically, if you want, the wand is thicker towards the end, so if you want all those fluffy lashes towards the end, it's like a Barbie doll look, then, or a very sexy look, then you go with such a wand and such a mascara. So the wand over here is something like this. I don't know if it's visible. So it's something like this. It's thicker on the end, so you go like this and you get really fluttery towards the exterior of your lashes. You get really fluttery lashes, and I'm a big sucker for mascaras. They really enhance your eyes. I'm someone who does not have long lashes, so I really crave for long lashes which make your eyes go whoop 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 like that. Next we have our, this is again from Maybelline. This is Falsy Push Up Drama Mascara. Again, this is, but the only difference with this product is it is a light brown in shade, so it gives a very natural looking effect. It does not look as if you've applied mascara. It does give a lot of volume, it does give a lot of length, but because it has this really nice browny warmish tone to it, so it does not look as if you've applied a lot of product on your eyes. The wand for this is, again, I have torn it. I just could not resist for me to start the video and then show it to you people. So it comes in a very beautiful packaging. It's really beautiful. I mean, I love the metallic effect. I really didn't know that if I wanted to open it or not because it looks so pretty, but this is what it looks like. And the wand is really thick and bushy, so it does end up giving you a lot of volume and a lot of length, but in a very neutral color, so it works for me. And next we have is the most expensive one. So I don't know how much these ones were for. No, I haven't written this down anywhere. I have no idea how much were the mascaras for. But next we have the most expensive one. I know this was expensive because I got a call from them that, excuse me, your mascara is really expensive, and this must have costed them, I don't know how many dollars, but in Indian rupees it cost me around 1700 bucks. But this is, like they claim, better than sex. Not like I know what it feels like, but yeah, this is better than sex. Mascara by Too Faced has an hourglass shaped wand which helps you give a really fuller look, is what they claim. I haven't used this as of now. I really love the packaging. It comes in a very beautiful metallic bottleish kind of a packaging which looks really sleek. So this is what it looks like, and it's really heavy, so you know, you feel like you're using something really good. And then you just open it like that. It's really pigmented, it's really black, and it comes with a very bushy wand like this, which looks like this. Yeah, and I am yet to try this, so let me know guys if you want a product review of all the mascaras and all the things. So I own about 4 to 5 mascaras right now. If you want to see different looks of different mascaras, and that would help you choose your particular mascara, I could do that for you. So leave all of the queries that you have in the comments below, and I shall do the needful. Next we have all the liners and eye products. This I have again gone crazy for because I am a big sucker for eyeliners, be it liquid liners, be it sketch pen liners, or the felt tip liners, be it the normal kajal liners that we have in India. I love black on my eyes. They just make my eyes pop. So I also know that with eyes like these, like really light eyes, people do recommend going for browns or greys. I do go for them also, depending on my mood, but sometimes when I really want my makeup to stand out, I just line my eyes, and that's my go-to whenever I have to go out and I don't have time for anything. I just apply a liner and I know I will be looking presentable. Let's go into all the eye products or whatever I ordered. So first we have the Maybelline felt lip line. Felt lip. There should be a felt lip. Okay, whatever. So this is in 110 black Maybelline. This is the by Eye Studio ink pen liner. I guess this is available in India too. This costs about 560 rupees if I ordered it from abroad. Let me know the prices if you know of any prices in India. I have no idea if these products are available in India. I just told them to get it for me. So this has a really thin tip which helps you go in the corners of the eye and wing it out really well. This is like 0.4 mm tip. It's really good. It's really black and it stays for a very long time. So this is something that I will be using every day because it's the cheapest amongst the ones that I've ordered, and this is from Maybelline, so it won't like hurt my heart, and if I'm not wrong, it's available in India, so I can like go and get another one. Next we have our Stella waterproof liner or smudge proof. So again, this was for 1600 or 1540 rupees. This is again a sketch pen liner, so it is black, it is a felt tip liner, and this is what it looks like. Next we have a Stella pencil liner. So this one is a pencil liner by Stella. This again costs rupees 1540, and this is a normal kajal, that the roll-on kajal that you get, the self-sharpening kajal. This is really pigmented and really black. I generally do not use kajal in my lower lash line. I use it either on the top, or I just smudge it off, or just to tightline my eyes. So this is something that I'll be sharing with my mom because she uses a lot of kajal and she has like really big black eyes, so I'll be sharing this with her. Next I have the most expensive liner that I purchased, and I am in love with the way it looks on me, and I am in love with the way it is so smooth and it's easy to glide on, it's easy to use. So this one is by NYX. Fortunately, by the time I had already ordered this, NYX got introduced to India, and it's available in Nykaa and all these places. I guess it's available in Sephora again. So from past 1 year there was no NYX, and I was craving for this product because of the way it looks, and it's easier to apply, and you can very easily create that beautiful wing liner. So this is a product that I ordered. So this is what the product looks like, and it's supposed to be held like this so that it's easier for you to create that nice wing line. And the product from inside looks like this, and this is, I think, my third liner right now. So if you want a product review of all the products that I'm using right now, I will let you know by the end of this month, because I will start using them, and I plan to do an August favorite video. So if any of these I cannot live without and I would face death, and I love them so much, so I will mention them in my August favorite video. Next we have a normal shadow. This shadow is by CoverGirl. This basically I bought. Now this was really cheap. This was hardly for $2-3 there, and again I have misplaced the price. I had written it, girls, I'm not kidding, I had written the price somewhere. I remember this being around 120 to 140 rupees Indian currency. So this is a normal grayish blackish. I can't really comment on how the products are right now because I haven't used them. I just ordered them because I needed them, and now I'll get to use them, and I'll let you know how it looks. Next we have a grey pencil. So NYX has this really beautiful grey pencil. So if you are one of those who really likes colored liners on top of their lid, you must try NYX, because their products are so soft. They are so easy to glide on. So this is one product that I used without telling you people. So I used this product and it was looking amazing on my eyes. It was so easy to glide on. It was so pigmented, and you get to know the grey color. Generally all the grey liners that are available in India, you do not get to know. So it is mainly a black liner with a lot of sparkle, and then they would call it grey. This is actually the ash grey that you need for your eyes, and that will stand out on your eyes. So this is one product which is highly recommended, and I've already used it, so I can brag about this. This is one product which is recommended. I'm not sure about the price. The price has worn off somewhere, but this is by NYX. So we have this is by Lancome, and it is your eyebrow pencil. It again has the felt tip, and you're supposed to draw your eyebrows. This is in the shade brown, like 04. You can go on sculpting your eyebrows and make it in the desired shape or whatever. So this is one investment. Again, your eyebrows are one feature on your face that will really enhance your look. So I really recommend you to go for an eyeshadow or a nice eyebrow pencil or anything which enhances your eyebrows. Next we have our Anastasia Beverly Hills Duo pencil. So this is an illuminating crayon pencil. This has like dual side, one of that being shimmery and the other one being matte. Both of them can be used as highlighters under the eyebrows, on the cheekbone. Right now I have used the shimmery side as an eyeshadow and then patted it down with the normal eyeshadow so that it does not crease on my eyes. If you like it, then go for this product, because I have only used the shimmery side. This product looks like this. This is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So this was again bought from Sephora over there. I'm not too sure if it's available in India. I haven't seen Anastasia Beverly Hills in Pune Sephora, but this is a product that I wanted, and this looks beautiful if you highlight your brows with it and your inner corner. So the silver side, I've used this for my inner corner and it has made my eyes pop. Next we have our eyeshadow primer. So this eyeshadow primer is by Urban Decay. I had seen this so many times with most of the YouTubers, and for the makeup artists they use this for the eyeshadows. And for my eyes, I have this horrible habit of not priming my eyes, or even not priming my face sometimes and directly going out, and by the end of the day everything will be drooping down, which does not end up looking good. So also all the eyeshadow never stuck to my eye and it came down, so it was really essential for me to invest in a good eye primer, and this was something that I saw on YouTube and I thought I should give it a try. So this looks like, this is the Urban Decay primer portion eyeshadow. I don't know how much does this retail for in India, but it has this beautiful crystal top, and mainly I just fell for the packaging and I was like, this is something that I need to have. And from inside, it's a basic normal neutral colored eye primer. Next we have our face primer, Smashbox primer. This was a big dent in my pocket because this was for 2,500 rupees only. So this cost me about, I don't know how many dollars, but Indian currency it was 2,500. This is a clear face primer. I haven't used it. I will be using it and letting you know how it looks. So I just hope it turns out to be good because I have really spent my hard-earned money into that product. Next we have next we have the biggest and the most expensive thing on the list. Not really, there's one more thing than that, but that is not a beauty product. This is my contour kit. So the most ironical part about this is I hadn't even ordered this. I was telling my relatives to get me a contour brush, and I wanted a blending brush, eyeshadow blending brush which gives a lot of shape. So I don't know what they read out of my message, and they went ahead and bought me this. And this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit. So I'm not so much into contouring, but now I feel that I have to get into it because I have to use this beauty. This looks like, this comes in all these shades like vanilla, banana, sand, java, fawn and Havana. So these are the powdered, oh god, these are the powdered versions of the contour kit, and I simply love it. I haven't been using contour kits, so I will have to learn how to contour, then start using this. This was again a big dent, but I couldn't like tell them, no, now you've gotten it, I don't want it. So I had to give them the money for it, and let's see how we get to use this. Next we have a spray-on body sunscreen. This is by Alba Botanica. I really like spray-on sunscreens because they are less messier, and like I said, I'm lazy. Doing that with the tube or a bottle is really hectic for me. So this seemed really good, and I'm a person who has sun allergy, so I have to like reapply and apply and reapply sunscreen after every 2 or 3 hours because I end up having rashes. If I'm driving, I end up having rashes every day on my hands, and that leaves a lot of pigmentation also on my hands. So this is again 100% natural as they claim. This is gluten free and water resistant, so you can even use this while going for a swim, and this is in the SPF 35 broad spectrum, so it works both ways. So it works for me, and I really wanted this product. Before this I was using another spray on sunscreen by La Roche-Posay. Yes, I was using the sunscreen by La Roche-Posay last year, and I was so lazy not to get it back again, so I ordered this one from the US. Next we have our two normal accessory products. So I generally have my hair up in a poof, or I had to like side twirl them and then put it up in a poof or something. All of these things cannot be done without these cute little clutches or clips that you have. So these are something that I ordered, and this costs about 280 rupees Indian currency again. And these are rubber bands. These are the transparent rubber bands. This really helps you because according to this it says no damage, like you will not tangle or damage your hair while removing this. I don't go by what is written on the cover of a product, so I will use these rubber bands and let you know how good they are. These are really helpful for making like different hairstyles, and I'm getting to know different hairstyles for curly hair. Like today I've tried something, and tomorrow I might try something else. Next, and the most indulgent item in my haul video is this perfume by DKNY. While coming back, they had a stop at Abu Dhabi, and they went ahead and bought this for me. So I haven't paid for this. This is a gift, and so I know I'm behaving like such a cheapster right now, but I love this. So this perfume is DKNY Golden Delicious, and this smells divine. Even if you do or do not have somebody who can come and smell you, you yourself will smell divine. This is basically an evening perfume. It's a bit strong, so people who are really like floral fragrances will not like this. I am one person who does not go for all the floral fragrances. This is, oh my god, I just opened the packaging and it smells divine. More than anything, I love the bottle. Look at this. Look at this baby. And this smells so amazing that I can't get enough of it. And oh my god, this hits the head too. So I don't know if it's intoxicating or something, but this is one buy that I loved. And if you guys want to see all my perfume collection, then please let me know. I'll do a video about all the perfumes that I own and how I shuttle between all the perfumes and how I end up using all of them. Let me know if you want to see a video about all my perfumes. I'll do one for you. Next, we have some products that you get free from Sephora. So if you end up indulging into so many products from Sephora, they are really cute and generous to provide you with their sample products. So this is by Living Proof for a perfect hair day. Apparently this gives you a fresh day look, so it helps mend your split ends. You're supposed to apply this like a leave-in conditioner or a serum after your hair is damp, and it gives you a nice haircut, a fresh haircut look. That's what it claims. Let's see. Next, we have this one more sample that they gave by Fresh Skincare Essentials. They have this 3-step process, which is a cleanser, a face mask and a moisturizer. I am yet to use this and I shall tell you how it looks. So that's it for my haul. I know I indulge into so much, and it's just me trying to share my happiness with you people because I love you guys. And that's it for now. Please do not trouble your parents or anybody coming from abroad to get you all of this. This is just me trying to show you what all I got, and I'm so happy after getting it that I felt like I want to share it with you people. And whatever products you liked from all the things that I bought, please mention in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till the next time, you know it. I love you. Bye.